Number 2. The expression is on the right. So, negative 17 is my constant term, plus x divided by 8 is my variable term. Is everybody clear on that? Even if you didn't get it right when you worked it yourself, do you understand where we are now? Okay? So I got to work in alphabetical order. What is the inverse of a minus 17?
Positive.
Plus 17. I've got a plus 17 on both sides. I'm not going to just put on one shoe, am I?
No.
If you go back to the video from today and look at the very beginning where I used this scale for the one step, and we talked about having to do it on both sides. Just look right here a minute. I'm going to pause this for a second. Look right here. I've zeroed this out, and now this is telling me to bring my x divided by 8 down, and that gives me 30, right?
Yes.
7 plus 3 is 10, carry my 1. So now I have 30 right there. Now, x divided by 8, what is the inverse of dividing by 8? Multiplying by 8. So now I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. And x equals 240. And I will upload the key to these doodle notes so that you can go back and look at it if you can't see all my scribble. But x is 240. Okay?
Oh, got it.
All right, last, number 3. Where's the expression, left or right?
Left. Middle.
That's left.
On the left. Here's my constant term. Here's my variable term, right?
Yes.
So, my constant term is a positive 11.5. How do I zero out and get that constant term? What is the inverse of a positive 11.5?
Negative.
A minus or 11, right. Negative 11.5. If I do it over here,
Do it over.
gotta do it over here. This zeroes out, leaving me negative 3m equals, and that's, oh wait, no. So that's a negative 6. Minus 11.5. Minus 11.5. Negative 3m equals negative 6. Isn't that right?
Negative 60.
Negative 60. Sorry, the decimal. Negative 60. Negative 60. Dividing both sides by negative 3. And m equals a positive 20.
Okay.
And you're putting that in your calculators. Okay? All right? Now, Gary has 6 more than twice as many customers as when he started. 6 more than twice as many customers. Twice as many customers would be 2x. 6 more would be plus 6. And he has 78 total. So there's my equation. There's my equation. I gotta see if I... 2x plus 6 equals 78. There's your equation. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Here's my constant, here's my variable, right? Subtract 6 from both sides, that zeroes out. 2x equals 72. Divide both sides by 2. And x equals 36.
Okay.
Questions?
No, man.
Just if it, never mind.
Okay? All right, so that's two-step equations. I'm going to bring you a little half sheet that is like a ticket, an exit ticket. I want you to do that, and we're going to start there tomorrow. Okay?